Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be doing cornrows, and before I start doing the cornrows, I want to tell you that if you have 4C type of hair, never ever feel bad about it. If you have type 4 hair, it was given to you by God. I had a very horrible experience recently. Someone dropped a very bad comment below my post. You can see it on the screen right now, and I wasn't affected in any way. I just felt bad for those little children that are meant to feel bad about their hair. If you have type 4 hair, you are beautiful. God created you the way He felt would make you beautiful. After God created everything, He said everything was perfect. Now let's go make some cornrows. I have already wet my hair and oiled it to make it easy to manipulate. If you don't know how to cornrow your hair yourself, this video is absolutely the best for you. To be able to make cornrows, you need to first of all know how to make box braids. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to make box braids briefly. Get a small portion of your hair and divide it into 3 parts as shown. They should all be equal in size. That's 1, 2, and 3. With the palmar surface of your index finger, push the middle one between the two on the left and the right hand side. And then do same to the one that is in the middle next, same to the one that is in the middle next, and like that. Just go left, right, left, right. Now we are going to do box braids again, holding it the way cornrows is held. Now I'm going to be pushing the one in the middle upwards between the left and the right one using my index finger. Left, right, left, right, just like that. Now we are going ahead to make cornrows using the second method of doing box braids. When partitioning your hair for cornrows, the anterior part should be wider than the posterior part as shown. I begin with a wide-toothed comb for easy sectioning. Thereafter, I support it with a smaller comb. Then I hold the sectioning in place using the small comb. I have to comb my hair so that my fingers will easily go through the hair while making my cornrows. To make the cornrows, the hair is also partitioned into 3 parts. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. The third one is held between my left index finger and my thumb. So I'm just going to push it through using my right index finger like that. Left, right, left, right? As you move the one in the middle, you also use your index finger to add a little hair to it from the back. By so doing, you are gradually going backwards. So you just continue going backwards like that, add a little to it, and also use your tactile sensation to try to separate other hair that are not supposed to be there from joining the one that you are weaving. I also use the smaller combs to keep the hair in place so that they don't disrupt my weaving. Lest I forget, I need to add that the hair should be held firmly so that the weaving will be tight. You can see that the hair at the back is narrow compared to the one at the front, so that's why it's ending well. Pardon me for the oil dripping down my face. This is to retain moisture in my hair because I have very dry fussy hair, so I have to moisturize it often to keep it soft. I am making 4 cornrows altogether. So for the first one, I targeted 1/4 of my scalp. So now I'm just trying to get the middle of my scalp so that I will know I've cornrowed half of my hair. I try to get it smooth and straight using the pointed end of the small comb. Then I comb for easy braiding of the hair. Wide toothed comb is best for combing fussy hair. The middle finger and the thumb are used to hold the hair in place, while the index finger pushes the middle one upwards. Don't forget to please subscribe to this channel. Please, if you like this video, if you like the effort put into making this video, please encourage us by smashing the like button. Thank you so much. And please share this video for others to learn from this little lesson. Also note that the thumb and the middle finger are used to hold the hair at the back in place, so that you can use your index finger to collect the hair from them and add to the one you are weaving.
Now this is the last one. I'm just going ahead to weave it. See, it's very easy. This is usually the softest part of my hair. Very easy for me to hold and weave.
The cornrows could be worn as a protective style on its own without wearing a wig, or it could be worn with a wig. The choice is yours. Now I'm sure you know how to make your own protective style. Now I'm just going ahead to wear my wig on it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. I have a lot in store for you. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.